Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. So today's video is going to be a little bit about the old Mazda. Kind of what is done to it, I guess. There ain't really much done to it, to be honest. Now I've just done a lot to it over the years. I guess a lot of repetitive shit over the years. It's on its third motor, probably fourth transmission. Going to be its fifth, I believe. Might be its fourth. Anyways, it don't go into fifth. Before it wouldn't go into third. I think it's something with synchros. Yeah, stock motor with just a big turbo on there. Pretty big turbo. It's a Borg Warner SX 2570. I believe that's right. I was trying to get tuned on the eBay turbo. It would not hold boost, and ended up having to get this Borg Warner, and now it holds boost, but I'm only using the manual boost controller on the base map that was sent to me. I still was having some other boost trouble, which was with the electronic boost controller. And I never got around to fix that, which will be probably my next thing. And then after that, if it'll hold 17 pounds with the electric boost controller, I can finally start data logging and get a tune. Finally put this turd on E. But until then, just run what I have. Newest things that's been put on was a pair of tires and a pair of front tires and the transmission mount. What else? I haven't really done any. Oh, my shifter cable broke at one point. Got that fixed. I'll put in a clip of how I done that. And yeah, that's basically how I'm running it now. Just enjoy the video. It's going to be some a few clips of what how I fixed the shifter cable and some putting in work with this turd. And it was putting in some work, let's just say that. This one looked like this, and exactly like that, broke on the inside. So what I'm going to do is make these go under there. Take this, put it in there, take those, kind of press them onto there, obviously cut that, take this, and then grind that off, put that through, and then grind this off, weld it on there, and kind of call it a day. Basically how it'll go.
passenger point of view.